Welcome back, Crammers, to question 4. The diagram shows a pentagon with 4 values of angles given. Work out the value of x. Now, to find the sum of interior angles, we simply use the formula 180 times n minus 2. Since this is a pentagon, we know its 5 sides. 180 into 5 minus 2, or 180 times 3 should give us 540 degrees. Now, we know that this is 90 degrees because it's a 90-degree angle, and we can just input everything else. We know that 540 is made up of 90 plus 135 plus 119 plus 67 plus x. If we take out our calculator here, we have 90 plus 135 plus 119 plus 67 plus x. So we can leave that as is, and we have 411. 540 is equal to 411 plus x. If we bring this to the other side, we have 540 minus 411 is equal to x. And if we take out our calculator here, we have 540 minus 411 gives us 129 degrees. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.